But anyway, speaking of ravens and birds, Coast to Coast AM is reporting that the Moscow neurotechnology firm NERI has conducted, I'm kind of doing a little George Norrie thing, has conducted an experiment in which researchers implanted neural chips into pigeons' brains, allowing entire flocks to be remotely controlled like biological Christian drones. See what I did with that? Each bird carries a small solar-powered backpack that receives commands and tracks its movements, and the company states the technology could be used on many species. And because birds travel hundreds of miles per day, NERI envisions using different types, such as ravens. Imagine that. For heavier loads, going back to the sperm thing, kind of.